Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to track order on Pandabuy. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Pandabuy, click on the sign up option. Now, creating an account here is a very straightforward and easy process. All you're gonna do is provide your email, your password, select the region or country you are in, and by clicking on the sign up button here, you are all set. Now, once you are here, tracking an order in Pandabuy is a very easy process. Say, for example, if this is the product that you want to know the status, all you're gonna do is go to the profile icon in the upper right corner and click on order. Now, from here, you would be able to see the order details such as the shipment details, tracking number, and a lot more. And all I'm gonna do is click on the shipment details, so you would be able to see the step-by-step or status of the location on the whereabouts of your order. Or if you want, just copy the tracking details and go to another platform, which is Aftership. You can also choose another platform wherein you can simply put the tracking details here. And all they're gonna do is click on track, and they would be able to run down where exactly your item is on the map, whether it's on the custom clearance or probably sorting out in the warehouse. You would know the exact updated information about the items of your order here. Okay, but if that doesn't suffice, you might want to click on the chat option here, wherein you can contact your buyer agent or just simply send a message because you're having problems tracking your order here in Pandabuy and the seller is not updating the tracking info. So you just want to know the exact status, right? And that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.